I'm going to sharpen my lawnmower blades. You can see, look at the dirt, look at the dirt. I mean, I gotta clean all this off before it can even start, or when I go to balance my blades after I sharpen them, which it's very important to balance your blades. They won't be balanced, so I'm going to clean them up with a screwdriver. As you can see, this one's worn. I mean, it's bowed right here, so I'm gonna straighten this up. So I'll actually be grinding on this sharp edge to level this up first, then I'll put the angle. Go back and put this angle on. Very nice. I bought this balancing kit at Home Depot for $15. This blade is actually perfectly balanced. Perfect. Try another one. Same with this one. We're in good shape. First try we got it. Now we'll go install it. So to make sure you have it installed correctly, you have the raised part here. See, it's bowed up. And this one has a groove here. And this groove fits right on there. Fits right in there. Now there's washers behind all three bolt heads. You have to have a washer. Get that one started. What we have to do is line these holes up with this bracket. See, we gotta turn it. So line the holes up. It's going through both blades and it's going into the bracket. You get the one started, then the other one. Don't tighten it up till you get it on. And do the same here. Just that easy. So you got it anchored. You have both these anchored, 3 places, 1, 2, 3, and it's going through both. You have to make sure you get it right and tighten them down. Takes a 9/16 with this mower. This is a Honda. Let's tighten them up. Every mower could be a little different, but not every mower. Okay, I'll just drop this in here, just something so it catches on. So when you tighten it, it'll keep it from moving. Keep it right where we want it, nice and snug. You don't want to tighten it too much, but you don't want it to fly off on you either. Okay, I think that should do it. I have the oil changed already. That was pretty easy.